Sai Ram, dear children. Today I am teaching class 3 EVS part 3 chapter 10. In part 2 I have explained to you about vessels used for cooking, fuels for cooking, role of water in cooking. So in this part let us have the exercise session. Okay. So before getting into the exercise, let us remember some important points. Okay. I think I have explained all these points in previous parts, that is part 1 and part 2. So now let us read out the important points. You have to repeat after me. Okay. So first point is cooking makes the food tasty, soft and easy to digest. Okay. Second point, there are different ways of cooking food. Third point, the ways of cooking vary according to the taste, health and age of people. Fourth one, we should always wash fruits, vegetables, rice, etc. properly before cooking them. Okay. So fifth point, idli is steamed to cook while cake is baked to cook. Okay. So sixth point, roasting means to cook food over direct heat or in an oven. Okay. Seventh one, vessels of different shapes and sizes are used in cooking. Eighth point, gas stoves use liquid petroleum gas LPG as fuel. Okay children. So ninth point, solar cooker uses sunlight as fuel for cooking. So are you all ready? So now first main is tick the correct option. So first question, cooking makes the food dash. So the options are soft, tasty, both of these. So cooking makes the food both of these in the sense soft and tasty. Okay, understood? So second question, in boiling the food is cooked in dash. Options are A, oil, B, water, C, oven. So the correct answer is water. In boiling the food is cooked in water. Okay. Third question, pakoras and samosas are dash. So the options are fried foods, roasted foods, baked foods. What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is fried foods. Okay children, are you all getting? Yes. Fourth question, it is the source of fuel in solar cooker. Options are LPG, water, sunlight. What is the correct answer? So the answer is sunlight. Sunlight is the source of fuel in solar cooker. Okay. So next we have fifth question. It is good for health of old people. What is the correct answer? I will give you the options. Boiled food, fried food, none of this. So the answer is boiled food is good for health of old people. Okay. So next, sixth one. The shapes and sizes of different vessels depend on dash. Options are fuel used, B, cooking technique, C, both of this. So cooking technique, the shapes and sizes of different vessels depend on cooking technique. Okay. So next we have to choose and fill in the blanks. Now let us remember these options. Okay, I'll read out: cheap, cooked, culture, water, cooking style, germs, pollution, LPG. Okay. So first question, cooking also kills the dash present in food. What is the answer? Germs. Cooking also kills the germs present in food. Okay. So second question, boiling means to cook in dash. Boiling means to cook in water. Okay. So third question, some foods need to be dash while some do not. It is the answer, cooked. Some foods need to be cooked while some do not. Okay. So fourth question, gas stoves use dash as fuel. What is the answer, children? Gas stoves use LPG as fuel. Okay, I think most of you all are using LPG gas. Okay. Fifth question, the solar cooker is very dash and totally dash free. So the solar cooker is very cheap and totally pollution free. Okay. So sixth question, the type of fuel changes with the dash and dash. The type of fuel changes with the culture and cooking style. Okay. So next we have summary session. Boiling, frying, shapes and sizes of vessels. Fourth one, cooking makes the food tasty. Fifth one, the different ways of cooking. So questions section. So first question, chulhas and tandoors are mainly used in dash to cook food. Okay. Second question, solar cooker uses dash as fuel for cooking. Third question, we should always dash fruits, vegetables, rice, etc. properly before cooking them. Fourth one, why do we cook food? Fifth question, write the different ways of cooking food. Okay children, understood? I hope all of you understood. Write down all these questions. This is the exercise part. So you have to write down all the questions in your classwork and practice it. Okay? Keep practicing. Thank you.